This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming color space and clip selection so Premiere applies corrections predictably. Once the clip is selected, open Lumetri Color and use the Auto button under Basic Correction to generate a baseline white balance and exposure fix. This is your reference point. Auto analyzes highlights, midtones, shadows, and color cast. Make sure to disable any LUTs or scopes that might bias the result. The Auto pass saves time and reveals where manual adjustments are needed next. Once done with Auto, switch your attention to Lumetri scopes to see numeric errors rather than guessing. Use the RGB parade to spot color channel imbalance and the vector scope to assess neutral point drift. Adjust temp to remove blue or amber cast and tint to cancel green or magenta shift. Small moves go a long way. While refining, tweak exposure and contrast to keep highlights and shadows inside legal ranges, and watch the parade for clipping as you iterate. Finish by addressing localized color issues. Use HSL secondary to isolate and desaturate or shift problem hues, and use color wheels for lift/gamma/gain balance. Apply any creative LUTs only after technical white balance is locked so they don't reintroduce casts. Once done, run a clip-to-clip visual check and use Lumetri Match if you need consistent balance across shots. Troubleshooting tip: if results look unstable, reset Lumetri on the clip and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.